Alright folks, so this is the Eurohike Genus 400 air tent. Actually this is our first air tent, so we are going to just pitch it up and we'll see how much time it's going to take and how easy it was. So this is the first time actually I'm going to just open this one. So it comes in this bag, so we'll open it and it's been just tied like this. So just take this one off. Got an air pump within this one, right? You can, when you're packing, you can just put it inside or you can pack it like separately, but because we are opening it for the first time, so this is the airbag, and then they have also given you know, these small yeah, these are the the pegs, but they come with this tent as well. We'll just look at like which direction we want to you know, the front of this tent. So because it's a nice open view, but there's, because of lot of air, we'll just put the side, the front on this side and the back on that one. So let's open it up. So we packed the corners and we'll just start filling it up now and see, once I start getting a shape, maybe we'll have more idea where we need to put more pegs in. Middle one, and now we'll do this side. So now we have inflated those two, and it's actually coming into some kind of shape now. There's only one left, so we'll do this one now. Go. Okay, so now we managed to just you know, put these ropes on the side, these two on the other side. So we'll just do the same on this side as well. So it's actually quite windy here. Like I said, this is the first time I'm pitching this one up, so I think it's just taking more time than usual, but once you are through this learning curve, probably it will not be that hard. Plus this ground is really hard, difficult to put these pegs inside, but I think with the help of, I think you definitely, I mean, if you're an experienced camper, maybe you can just do by yourself, but I would recommend that two people can, you know, just manage this tent easily. So from like, there are just two windows. There's one window on this side, which is just net, and you can open it from outside. Okay, so we'll just open the door and see how it looks from inside. So these are the strings you can use, just roll it up and tie it upside, but for now we'll just open a bit and see how it looks from inside. This is the main door. So this is the door, up and then tie it up there. So I'm not going to do it straight away because probably you're going out for a walk or something, so we'll just close it again. But there are two compartments, so you can just this is the one you can use for your sitting area, and that's the one for the sleeping area. It took me around 40 minutes to pitch it. I think that normally you should be able to do it in like 20, maybe 25 minutes or so, but like I said, because it's windy, the ground is hard, and actually I'm doing it for the first time for this tent, but overall it looks nice, and once we put everything else in there, we'll also show you how it looks. So you can see my son is 6 feet tall, and he's standing inside comfortably. I placed this one mattress in there, and then we have got some space here outside, so we've got a small tent carpet. You can, obviously 2 people can sleep here, 2 people can sleep there, or depending on how you want to use it. So this was about all about this tent. There's a partition which you can close. There's a zip, and you can also take it off if you want. Overall, I think it's a good tent in a sense that it's not very difficult to pitch, quite spacious, and it's comfortable, I think, for a family of 4, especially if you are 2 adults, 2 kids.